Hey guys, so I keep getting asked about the mobile blasting that I'm talking about doing. I get asked what kind of equipment, what did I spend, the process, all that. So I'm gonna just do a little video so I don't have to keep repeating myself. Not that I mind, just to make it easier on myself. So we've always, since we've started, we did powder coating, but we've always wanted to do mobile blasting. We turn away a lot of work. We're always asked, hey, can you blast this? Can you blast a frame? Can you blast a fucking building? Who knows? No, I can't. Well, we've saved up a lot over the past few years. We also had some help with my wife's mother, a partner of the company, and we're moving forward. So first of all, like and subscribe. We almost hit 800. Sorry about the shaking. Of course, you can tell we're driving. We almost hit 800 subscribers. When we hit 800 subscribers, we will be doing $80 giveaway. I'm sick of trying to figure something out, so I'm gonna just do cash this time. With that being said, so the first thing that we had to do to separate our powder coating from our mobile blasting is go to the Secretary of State, and we ended up creating a day trade name, Resurrection Mobile Blasting and Surface Preparation. So we did that. It was like $50. It still falls under our Green Mountain Powder Coating, Media Blast and Powder Coating LLC. So that's still the same. It's just a separate division. So first thing that we had to do is go to somebody that knew what the hell they were doing, because I did not want to learn a lesson with thousands of dollars, just like a smart person would do. So I reached out to Bob Nash with Greener Blast Technologies. If you watch our 10X collaboration video, he's the one that is showing his new piece of equipment, the 007. And he talks about his business and how a lot of the government agencies use his equipment and everything. He has some badass equipment. So reached out to him, told him what we wanted to do, and he suggested a certain avenue to go, so we pushed for that. We started searching around for a piece of equipment. I wanted to stay around that 10K range, but we found a deal that I could not pass up. Bob sold some machinery to a company down in Florida. Sorry, Vermont roads, I'm bouncing all over. Down in Florida, they had one that they did not use. They used the other ones. This piece of equipment new is around 25 grand. And we ended up buying it for 15. So it was sitting there for 5 years. So Bob took it back to his company in Massachusetts and went through it. He just wanted to make sure from setting nothing rotted, or like how plastic hoses and all that garbage can get weather raw, or whatever you want to call it. So that's back at Bob's. Our next step was to turn around and get a compressor. We didn't want to, so this system, sorry, let's go back to the blast system. The recommended CFM is 185 to 300 CFM. It uses 80 to 90% less media than a dry blaster does. And it also holds about 100 to 150 pounds of media per hour. Not holds, it goes through 100 to 150 pounds of media per hour. So with knowing the CFM requirements, I did not want to get a 185 compressor. So I want to look for a 375, because I want to be on a higher end, because eventually I want to upgrade to another piece of equipment for bigger jobs. So I went on GovPlanet. It's an auction site, and instead of paying secondhand upward of 20 grand, 20 plus grand for $375. I ended up getting one and winning a bid for 11.1K. So we ended with a $375 2012 Doosan. It was a four-cylinder Cummins diesel engine. So right there alone, I'm glad it wasn't gas, because those diesels are just bulletproof. So we got that down in Virginia. We got that to Bob's. Bob helped us out again with that. So I don't know how that got in here. I apologize, guys. That shows that's my dog's brother and sister, Chloe and Thor, and it shows how much Chloe is loving Thor right now. But anyways, let's get back to work. So get back to this. So we got our compressor, so we paid 11.1K on that. That went to Bob's. Next thing we had to do is, I do not want to carry the blaster around in the back of a pickup truck, just because I don't have the access to take it out and put it in constantly if I need to use a pickup truck. So what I want to do is do a mobile blaster. I want trailer, I want the blaster on it, I want the compressor taken off its wheels and put on it, I want spare water on it. So I have to find a trailer that carries, I think the proper name is gross weight or something, carry gross weight or something of 10K. So I had to be able to at least carry 10K. And that's what we got. We ended up finding one. I think it's North Star. I did have all this on paper, but now since I'm driving, I don't have my paper. I think it's called North Star, but of course you guys are looking at the bill of sale or the title for it anyways right now. So we got that. That's at Bob's. So right now, that's at Bob's. The compressor's at Bob's, and the vapor blaster's at Bob's. So in the spring, we will be putting those together and be doing videos. Hopefully do a video of it putting it together. Okay, next step, vehicle. We have a Chevy Silverado 1500 06. It's not legal enough to go on the road, so I had to get another one. I was looking for something a little bigger, 250, 350, something dualies or something, but I came across an offer I couldn't pass up. My work ended up getting another vehicle, so they sold their 2012 Dodge Ram 1500 to me, 76,000 miles for $500. So I'm not passing that up. I'm not an idiot. I also know that's not going to last that long with this trailer, maybe a couple years. I took the truck to my mechanic, and he said there's an evap leak on it, and the rest of the stuff is just maintenance stuff. So he said I got a stupid killer deal, which I believe it. So with that being said, so we got the truck. Over the next year or two, we will save up and get a normal truck. I was on the Facebook, some of the groups, and asking them like the best way for advertisement. And one thing that kept coming back is wraps. Get a freaking wrap for your truck. It's a little investment, but it pays off. And they were telling me how a lot of people come up to them while they're at job sites just because they see the wrap or call. So we reached out to a company, and we're working on a wrap, which you guys are looking at right now. This is just a first draft. It's not done, but this is the direction that we are going in. So as you can see, I think it looks pretty good. So we are going in this direction. So after the wrap's done, I think that's basically it. We're getting a truck. I just paid for it today, the whole $500. That will be put up. We're getting 4 pallets of media here on Thursday for the mobile blasting. So that will be put up. In the spring, we'll be building our system with Bob, and He'll be our guidance from here on out dealing with mobile blasting. Great bunch of guys. Like, I am so glad that I met them guys. It's a family business, and they really do look out for their customers. They don't want to sell people things just to sell it. One of their things is they never want buyer's remorse. And like he told me when I met him, he goes, go out there and look for one of my machines on the marketplace for sale. He goes, we make sure that no one has buyer remorse with us. He goes, once in a blue moon, you'll see something like I did, but mine was brand new and it wasn't because of any issues. You see a lot of other companies, stuff out there, secondhand, like tons of it. There's a reason their stuff is out there and his stuff isn't. So with that being said, I think that's about it. Again, like and subscribe, please. 800 subscribers, we're doing $80 giveaway. 900 subscriber, we're going to do $90 giveaway. 1,000 subscriber, we're going to do a special giveaway. We're just not sure. So I'm just about home after a long day of work. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. And again, if you have any other questions about this, I think I went over prices. Trailer we paid $6K, $7K for. I can't remember. Again, I'm not in front of my paperwork. So yeah, I went over everything we had to buy for it, the paperwork we had to do for it, the trade name we did for it. So, okay guys, please be safe this winter. We're getting snowy here, so I'm not sure anywhere else. Just be safe, and please keep supporting the channel, and thank you for you guys that have been supporting the channel. And as soon as we hit 800, I'll be sending one of you guys $80. Okay, be safe. Talk to you later.